Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing the first exercise of Chapter 3 programming exercises. Now this one has multiple boards. Exercise number 1. It says write a statement that includes the header files stream, string, and IO manip in this program. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to write hashtag include fstream, hashtag include IO manip, and then hashtag include string. Now that we're done with that, it says write statements that declare in file to be an input file stream variable and out file to be an output file stream variable. So you write if stream in file of stream out file string. Now hold on. Now it says this program will read data from indata.txt and write output to the file outdata.txt. Write statements to open both of these files, associate in file with indata.txt and associate out file with outdata.txt. Now I will write in file. Wait, so let me just show you. So open Notepad++ if you are on a Windows 10. Now if you look here, I have outdata.txt. Just write something random, save it, like write burger or some random numbers, save it, and yeah, just leave it blank or put in a couple of lines. Now this is the indata.txt on letter D. It tells you to type in this stuff, this little card, and now you need to link these two variables to these two files. So to do this, you want to write in file dot open in data dot txt. Now there's also out file out file dot open out data dot txt. Now that we are done with that, we can start with the actual coding. Now make sure that you type in all of this right as your indata.txt. Now here, this is somebody's first name, this is their last name, this is their department, this is their gross salary, if I'm correct. This is their bonus. This is their income tax. this is the distance they traveled and the traveling time. And here is the coffee cup sold and the cost per coffee cup. So, judging by that, we're going to have to declare a good amount of variables. The first thing we need to cover is the first line, which has the first name, last name, and department. So string first name, string last name, string department. Now we're going to have to cover the second line, which is the gross salary, bonus, and taxes. Now we're going to write in double gross salary, double bonus, double taxes. Now we're going to have to cover the third line, which is we have to cover the next line, which is the distance traveled and the traveling time. So double distance traveled, double traveling time. And now we go to the next line, which is double mugs sold, semicolon, and double cost per mug. Now it's quite obvious this program is going to have a lot of variables. Now it's not too hard, it's fairly a simple program. So now that we've done this, let's move on. Now it says that they want their updated paycheck. Now this updated paycheck means that they will have their monthly gross salary, right? Or their just gross salaries, I called it. And they will get a monthly bonus of 5%. So they'll have 5% increase from that normal salary. And then they will take off 30% of that salary, including the bonus. So that means that their paycheck at the end, if they have a monthly gross salary of $5,600, will be $4,116. So now here we're going to make another variable, which is going to be double paycheck. So now that we've done that, let's write in file first name. Now if you aren't familiar with this, if you're reading information or you're printing information onto a file, then you need to use these as your file stream variables, not cout or cin. So now you write first name, last name, department, gross salary, or actually I'll write down the next line. In file, gross salary, bonus, taxes. Then we'll do in file, distance traveled, and traveling time. And then we also have to have in file, mugs sold, and cost per mug. Now, after we've done this, next thing we're going to do is calculate the paycheck. Now, paycheck is equal to gross is equal to gross salary times bonus in parentheses bonus divided by 100 plus 1 minus 0.3 times gross salary times bonus divided by 100 plus 1. Now the next thing is we will do out file, fixed, out file, fixed, set, precision 2, and then we will do out file, out file, name, first name, last name, department, department, oh, file, monthly gross salary gross salary monthly bonus bonus taxes taxes and out file paycheck and out file distance traveled miles per hour and out file number of coffee cups sold mugs sold cups comma cost per cup cost per mug per cup and dough. And now we have out file. Sales amount. Cost per mug times mugs sold. Now that we are done with that, we can run the program. Hopefully it gives us the results. Now, when you run the program, it will return nothing to you here. But it will, however, take information from here. You may look in here, and it will give you all of the stuff. See? It has given all of our input. Now, if you change it up a bit, I will change these to random numbers. I'll put this to 10. Let's say the government doesn't exist anymore and they can't charge taxes. 0. You get a 0% bonus, because now nobody has to give you a bonus. Let's say you're a millionaire now and you only had to sell like one mug for like $1 million or 1,000. I don't know how many that is. But now, if we run this once again, the results will change as well. And there we go. So now that you understand how you can put in to take in information from files and output that information to other files, hopefully you can also take advantage of this in your programs. I hope you guys very much enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.